we have discussed last time that mostly that this patient has got a obstruction in the ureters. So ultrasound mein, what was the finding in ultrasound?
So there was bilateral hydronephrosis.
So this patient who has got a rectovaginal fistula and the mass in the lower abdomen, so he has got a bilateral hydronephrosis. This was what we were thinking in the last time. So we have decided that we will have an ultrasonography. So what you have done?
After which we took her to urology ward for DJ stenting. But on right side, pelvic ureteric junction was not visualized, and on left side, ureteric junction was not visualized.
Okay.
So they decided to opt for bilateral PCM.
So they have decided, the urology ward, we have gone and the DJ was not successful. So what was done is that they have done the bilateral PCN of this patient. इस मरीज का बायलैटरल पीसीएन करना पड़ा. क्यों? कि हमें क्लू क्या मिला था? मैस लोअर एब्डोमेन, रेक्टोवेजाइनल फिस्टुला एंड आरएफटी की रेंज. फिर हमने अल्ट्रासाउंड करवाया तो हमें पता लगा कि बायलैटरल ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन है. सो डीजे स्टेंटिंग वाज नॉट सक्सेसफुल एंड दैट्स व्हाई पीसीएन वाज डन. ठीक है. व्हाट इज द प्लान नाउ?
So studying around, so I decided to go for MRI to further know about malignancies.
Okay. MR का क्या हुआ? हो गया फिर?
So,
Why you have decided to go for MRI?
so actually, we had decided to go with the CT scan with contrast previously.
Because we need to do the contrast CT scan and contrast.
We had no reports about serum profile. It was pending.
No, the previous record is that he has got a high urea level and
Yes.
contrast CT scan cannot be done. So that's why you decided to go for the MR for this patient. Okay. So when is the date for the MR?
So the attendant has gone today again. It was Friday, so they didn't give me time.
चलें आज टाइम ले लें, MR करवाएं. और दूसरा ये है कि नीचे से सॉइलिंग कितनी है? हाउ मच इज द फीकल मैटर कमिंग?
So previously there was like sufficient amount of discharge, but now she is saying there is only latest discharge, no blood in.
क्योंकि अभी डिस्चार्ज कम हो गया है, so we will give some time. We are not going to do the colostomy. She is passing the stool.
Yes.
She is passing the stool normally, and the discharge has decreased. So that's why we are not going for the colostomy up till now. What about the fever? Is she running?
No episode of fever.
No episode of fever. Only there is a blackish discharge from the vagina. No fecal matter is coming. That's why we have this colostomy is pending now.
So we did this per advice previously. We had done the Bennett enema, and there is no any fistulous communications between.
And in the last time, as we decided to do the barium enema, we cannot find any fistulous communication in this patient. तो लाइनेट नहीं हो सका. सो दैट्स वाई हम इसका भी इंतजार कर रहे हैं. अभी हम कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे. तो और अभी हम सीटी करवाएंगे और MR करवाएंगे एंड वी विल गो फॉर द this may be a mass which is arising from the pelvis, and that's why we will go for a surgery then.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.